We were feeling very happy. Somehow we were enjoying with our families, but the people who were alone at their home, they were not feeling well. They were not happy because they were feeling loneliness. In the same way, these animals who are kept in the zoo, in the cages, feel the same. Just like same, because they cannot go anywhere, they cannot move in a huge jungle, they cannot enjoy their natural habitat. So obviously they are feeling sad, but still they are being kept in the cages so that we human beings can see them, we human beings can see them and get the pleasure that we have seen a wildlife just in front of us, because this enhances our knowledge also. But at the ground of humanity, it's not fair to keep anyone in cages just for the pleasure, right? So it's apart from the topic. Let's come to the topic, and the topic is zoo. Here is a name, that is, this boy is known as Tim. His name is Tim, and this boy went to zoo. He went to zoo, and how many of you have gone to zoo? Indian Zoological Park, how many of you have visited? Can anyone tell me, yes or no? Let's see, how many of you have visited zoo? Okay, someone is trying. Yes, Srijan has said yes. Come on, very good, Srijan. So, next. Okay, Shrestha is typing. Yes, okay. Ashmita has also visited zoo. Very good, Ashmita. Rudraditya and Anurag is writing something. I hope they have also visited zoo. Yes, Anurag, very nice. And Rudraditya also. Okay. So, all my students have visited zoo, right? Now, the next part which we come, what do we see in the zoo? We see wild animals in the zoo. Like, do you see some domestic animals in the zoo? Do you see some cows and buffaloes and goats have been kept over there? No, because these animals are seen in our environment. But wild animals are those animals which are just found in the forest, and they are being kept over here so that common people can see how they look physically in front of them. Okay, how we can describe a tiger? Until and unless you see a tiger, you cannot describe it, right? Yes, until and unless you see an elephant, you cannot describe its color. In the same way, the wild animals are kept over there to see how they look, how they behave, what is the environment they need. All these total things are being seen over there. Now, we can see lots of wild animals, we can see lots of reptiles, we can see variety of birds over there, and even in Alipur Zoo, we can see migrated birds, right? During the winter season, if you visit, you can see lots of migrated birds, right? And even you can see different types of snakes. Yes, yes, crocodiles, snakes, birds, insects, right? Many types of. So it's a huge area, and we can see lots and lots of animals over there. Now, can you tell me which type of animals do we see? So let us all get ready with our copies. All of you get ready with your notebooks, pencil, and we are going to list out some wild animals which we have seen in the zoo. So let's start. Everyone is ready? Take your pencil, take your copies. Okay, and let's see where Tim is going to visit. Tim is going to visit to the zoo, and let's see how many animals Tim has gone through. So everyone, I'm going to give you the words in ranks order and you have to complete it. Okay, I will not write the complete word of the animal. You have to complete it. You have to identify that animal and you have to write the answer in the chat box, as well as you will write your words in the notebook. Okay, so let's start. Okay, Granthana, I hope you are ready. Let's start. So the first one, as soon as we visit zoo, we see deer. There are variety of deers, right? So let's see. Complete the spelling. Come on, all of you. Let's see. Ashmita is writing. Very nice. Ashmita has completed first. Next, come on, Srijan. Let's see. Very good. Priyam. Priyam is writing the answer. Shrestha. I want you to give answers to your mother so that your mother can help you. Okay? Shrestha, you will answer the question, then after your mother will type it. Okay? Come on. So, very good. Shyamu Prabhu has given the answer. Anurag has given the answer. Very nice. Okay, all the answers are correct. So, the first word is deer. The first word is deer. We see variety of deers in the zoo. It may be normal deer, it may be reindeers, it may be blackbucks, variety of. In the deers also, they are having lots of variety and they look, each and every deer looks different from one and another. They are having different sizes, they are having different breeds. Yes, they are all same species, but they are having different types of breeds. Okay, so let's go for the next one. And here comes, let's see who can complete this word. Who can complete this word? Yes, very good. Come on, let's go for the next one, Priyam. Yes, Srijan. Yes, Shashmit. Shashmit, this is the answer of first. Yes, very good, Shrestha. Very nice. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, Shwama Prabhu, little bit typing mistake. Yes. So, all the, yes, that's the correct answer. So, all my students have given the correct answer, and it's Anurag, you have also given the correct answer. That is lion. Let's go for the next one. And the next one is, we love to see this one. Yes, we love to see this one. So, which is the animal? Let us write down. Yes, very good. Ashmita is again the first one. Shyama Prabhu, Shrija, everyone has given the answer. Very nice. Let's start. Yes, Priyam, very good. Still some of them are typing. Yes, very good. All of you have given the correct answer and it is, yes, it's tiger. Let's go for the next one. And the next one is, so let's see who can complete this word. Okay. So, the first answer I am going to get from Ashmita. Ashmita, your spelling is wrong. Yes, Srijan, your spelling is right. Priyam, your spelling is wrong. Please write down the correct spelling, beta. Yes, Ashmita, now it is correct. Yes. Yes. Shrestha, you give answers to your mother and your mother can type for you. Okay? Your mother, if you are having problem, your mother can type for you. You give answers to your mother. No problem. Come on. So, very nice. Shyama Prabhu, now your answer is correct, spelling is correct. Yes, Rudra Aditya, very nice. So, the correct spelling is this one, and it is the tallest animal on the land. We are getting the opportunity to see the tallest animal on the land in the zoo, Alipur Zoo, right? Yes. Next comes so who is going to answer this one? Let's see. Who is going to answer this one? Come on, come on. Find it out. Yes. Srijan is the first one to give the correct answer. Very good, Srijan. And I hope all my students are writing in the copy. Yes, very nice. Ashmita second. Very good. Very good. Shrestha, Shashmit Ghosh, Anurag, Priyam, all has given the correct answer. Very nice. It's very good. Very good. Really appreciating, I'm really appreciating all of you. Rudra Aditya, yes, Shama Prabhu, very nice. So the correct answer is yes. So now let's go for the next question. And the next question is we can see this one also at zoo. This is also seen at zoo. Yes, Ashmita, exactly. Very good. So, Ashmita has given the first answer and Priyam is the second, Shrestha is third. Very good. All three has given the correct answer. Very good, Srijan. Very good, Sansita. Very good. So all has given the correct answer, that is WOLF. It's wolf. It's wolf. Next comes a very simple word which you have learned in your sound words also. So let's see who can finish it first. Let's see who can finish it first. Yes, come on. Yes, very good, Ashmita. Shrestha, very nice. Very good. Priyam has also given the correct answer. So it's a very simple question, and here we can see we have found out 7 animals till now which we see in the zoo. We are going to do some more animals over here, and that is deer, lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant, wolf, fox. Right? So now let us go for the 8th one. I am rubbing this part. Those who have not completed the renaming part, I am leaving on the board. Please complete it. Here comes the 8th one, and the 8th one is Rudra Aditya. Please don't take screenshot, beta. Please concentrate on your studies. So this is the 8th one. Let us complete the word. We can see this animal also. Yes, Ashmita and Priyam has given the correct answer first. Very fast. Sanskita also. Srijan, very good. So it's crocodile. Very nice. It's crocodile. Yes, it's crocodile. And the smaller and this crocodile is also having one more type, that is known as alligators. They are having long mouth. Okay. So next comes number 9. So this one is also seen at zoo. All of you have visited zoo. So this one is also over there. Let's see who can complete it first. Who is the first one to complete it? Yes, Srijan. Very nice. Very good, Ashmita. Very good, Priyam. And all my students are TRICH. It's the tallest bird on the land, right? It is the tallest bird on the earth, and it cannot fly high. This is the two things you should remember. Elephant is the biggest animal on the land and giraffe is the tallest animal on the land, whereas ostrich is the biggest animal, bird, tallest bird. Okay. Now next comes the 10th one, and the 10th one we can even see this. We have variety of this one. Okay. So this is the last question all of you are having. Come on. Let's see who can do it. Yes, very good Srijan. Very good Ashmita. Very nice, very nice. So this is the last one. Very good. So we are also going through the variety of monkeys over there in the zoo. Even we see gorillas, even we see hippopotamus, right? And even we see variety of migrated birds over there, right? Okay. So you will have one homework today. And what is that homework? That homework is you will sit with your parents and you will go through the pictures of wild animals. You will go through the pictures of wild animals which we can see in the zoo. This is the activity work which you have to do, and I will be present before you again with a new class on Friday. Okay? Till that time, bye bye students. Take care. Bye bye.